Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Gonna be doing I'm gonna go over a bag roll that I have, but I figured I might as well just do the whole bag dump because I'm gonna have to dig it all out anyway. So even though I just did a bag dump video, I thought I'd do another one. You know, because some people are interested and they always want to know what I have for gear. So let's get to it. I'll show you. Alright, so today's pack is the Hidden Woodsman Day Ruck. Love this thing. On here, on the side here, I just attached a Molly bottle holder for my Nalgene, because you gotta have water. There's nothing else on here, so it's just a simple little pouch. On the front here, I have attached a canteen cover, also attached with Molly. And in here, I've just got some toilet paper. But I have something in mind today that I'm going to do. The Hidden Woodsman signal panel. I've got some fuel gel. So 2 packs of fuel gel and this stove set here that my buddy Mark Kratz sent me. So I'm going to be doing that today. Of course, there's no point in having a canteen carrier if you're not going to have a canteen cup. And also canteen lid. Yes, I'm going to be doing a cooking video today, so stay tuned for that. In this little side packet here, I've got some sesame oil and then some Texas Pete hot sauce packets. I was actually at Chick-fil-A last night and I grabbed a couple. They had 3 left, so I grabbed 2. So it's nice to have those little packets. I don't have to haul the whole thing around. And then probably just run over the contents of this as quick as I can. And there's a zipper compartment right here in front, which I've got. You might remember this little flint steel set I got on Etsy. All that's in here is the tinder, and I'll show you why. And then I brought, what's the point of having it? I got this pouch, which I did in the mail call, and I just got a couple extra pieces of flint in here, and with a couple rocks, which is why I bought it. It's not very heavy. And then I got the stainless steel spork eating utensil. The inside of the pack, I've got alright, I've got my bandana, or I've got a bandana, and I actually have, do I have one on me? I've got my EDC fire kit, which I did a video on. I don't remember if I stuck one in my pocket or not, but I guess not. I've got the thermocell. This is new, I haven't used it yet. Measuring cup, just because I like having it. Hardy work gloves, it's always good to have gloves. Got these Squencher electrolyte chews. I've yet to eat them. Today's lunch is going to be some Shin ramen. I got some bug spray to go along with the thermocell because I hate mosquitoes. Spare batteries for the Nikon. Another water bottle because it's kind of sunny today and it's always good to have water. There's a pocket on the inside and I have my folding saw just in there. So I've got some cedar bark in case I wanted to make fire. Part of my lunch is going to be this, I bought the whole jar just for another video, but it's wasabi flavored fudakake. It's a rice seasoning. Never had this before, which is going to go in my ramen. I just threw this in there because I had it. It's this Jack Link's beef jerky stick. A couple big ones in case I got hungry mid-snack or after snack. I've got the Mora Black, and then I've got the Mora 511. Yep, I got this from Mark Kratz MC, which I did a mail call on. I'm very Mora heavy today, and there's a ferro rod attached to it. And then the whole point of the video is the Exotac roll. Now let me switch cameras so you can get a better focus view, and I'll bust into this. Alrighty. I also got this from Mark Kratz. He sent me a very nice care package, and I've been debating for a while what to do with it. came up with is on this upper top part here, I have a perfect place for a flint striker. Got a piece of flint in here. I have char right here. This is that black, looks like some kind of nylon or cotton cordage. So I got that. I've got a book of matches from the dollar store just because I had room for it. I figured why not. And then I have a lighter. So I've got 1, 2, 3 sources of fire. And open it up and dump the lighter out. But if you open it up, now I got some jute twine in here. These are just some of those cinnamon hot sticks. I just figured I'd throw it in there because I had room. This is a knife I found at a outdoorsman show. Figured I'd just throw it in there. Because, you know, it's never bad to have extra knives. Right here I've got some those Bigfoot fire starters. I just got a 3-pack. And I did that because, you know, just extra fire. And then on the end here, I've actually got the fuel cell for the thermocell, and then 2 packs of the thing to keep the mosquitoes away. So I've got these tucked in here. Plus the fuel. Put the fuel in first so it doesn't mess up your... Well, I can always move these. And then I just roll the whole thing up. And then tuck these over. And there you go. So I just pop that in my bag. So I've got fire, I've got mosquito repellent, I got multiple ways to make fire. I've got that little tin, plus I've got the other tin to make char. I have a ferro rod on the knife, although it would be nice to have a spare, but I didn't show you because I didn't bring it, but the other ferro rod I had was actually cracked and broken, so I didn't want to put it in my pack. So that's basically it. Nice, convenient, not very heavy. I didn't have my scale, but you know, it doesn't weigh a lot. But I thought it was a good use for this. Don't really have a whole lot of first aid items, but you know, I can always add something to my pack for first aid if I needed to. But you know, I think it's closes up pretty nice. Hey, I like it. So I don't know, it's something in the works. If you got any ideas, what I could add? I mean, I probably would at some point. Will add a ferro rod to it. Actually, I have 2 ferro rods on me because I've got my EDC fire kit in my pocket. So I've got a ferro rod in here, plus tinder and other ways to make fire, and another char tin, plus the other tin, plus the ferro rod on the Mora. So I've actually got 2 ferro rods. And if I happen to forget that and leave it at home, I still have ferro rod on the knife. So, all right, well, there you go.